説明お願いします。これ何か説明してもらっていいですか？
リンゴジュースとマロンケーキです。
マロンケーキと、これはクラッカーに。
そうです。はい。
マロンケーキ。夏瀬温泉都忘れのメインのエリアです。こんな感じでいいよ。こっちにもリセプションエリアがあります。で、なんか川の景色もここから川があるね。View of the river. And then let's turn around. Looks like this is kind of a lounge room. And then this is a hallway to the guest rooms. で、こんな感じです。ラウンジは。で、you go outside. This is the main courtyard area of Miyakowasure. So Miyakowasure, as an introduction, is in Semboku in Akita prefecture. But Semboku, in a vast area like Tohoku and very remote and mountainous, a lot of the, I guess, counties, if you will, cover a lot of area, and there's not that many people either. So Kakunodate in other places also call Semboku part of their own. It takes about a 4-kilometer twisty road in the middle of nowhere to get here on a gravel road. So Miyakowasure means makes you forget about Miyako, which is the capital, and so that's Kyoto in the olden times, because this is in the far north of the main island of Honshu. You can see, I think that's the dining area over there. Yep, you can see dining tables. And then this is the reception area. So, we'll be showing our room momentarily. Just a quick look at the public area. We also are going to be in we're going to reserve a private bath as well, even though all the rooms do have their own bath. Okay, Natsuse Onsen Miyakowasure.